Welcome dear students in the online class on similarity. So without wasting much time, let's see the problems where we left in the last class. Okay, so question number 7 from exercise 15a. So the corresponding diagram is given out here. In this figure, DE is parallel to BC. So DE is parallel to BC. AE is 15. Okay, so ignore the measurements for now. First is you need to write all possible pairs of similar triangles. Okay, now let's see the first part. Now here let's observe triangle AME and ANC. So AME means this triangle, ANC means this particular triangle. Okay, so if you observe this, can I say that this and this are parallel? Obviously they are parallel, right? So if they are parallel, then this angle and this angle, they are called corresponding angle, isn't it? Yes. So if they are corresponding angle, this one and this one, they must be equal, right? So that's what is written. So AME is this angle and ANC is this angle. So they are equal because they are corresponding angle. All right. Now similarly, you see MAE is this angle and NAC is also this angle. So can I say that they are common? Yes. So that's why they are common angles. So again, since you have showed that two pairs of angles are equal, so that's why we say that these two triangles are similar by AA criterion for similarity. Now similarly, let's have a look at triangle ADM and ABN. So ADM is this triangle, ABN is this bigger triangle. Okay, here angle ADM and angle ABN will be equal, because they are again corresponding angle, right? Fine. Similarly, there is one more angle common, that is DAM, that is this angle, is equals to BAN, that is this angle. Both are same, which is common. So again, using AA criterion, we can say that these two triangles are also similar. Okay. Now, are there any pair of angles left? I see that this triangle and the biggest triangles are still left. So in these two triangles, we see angle ADE is this angle and ABC is this angle. They are equal, you know why? Because they are again corresponding angle. Okay, and you see there's one more thing, that is AED. So AED is this angle and ACB is this angle. So they are also equal, because they are again, if they are parallel, these two must be equal, no? Because they are corresponding angle. So there are two pairs of corresponding angle and they are equal. So that's why again using AA criterion, we say that triangle AD and triangle ABC are similar. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down the answer for first part of the question. Okay, so let's have the look at the second part of the question. You need to find the length of ME and DM. So let's see what are the things given to us. AE is given, so this is given to us. EC, that is this is given to us. Similarly, we have what is given. We have given NC, right? So NC, this is given, and BN, that is this is given to us. So you are expected to find the value of ME and DM. Okay, let's see how to find. Now triangle AME and triangle ANC, that is AME and ANC. So these two triangles are similar. So using the conditions for similarity, we see that the corresponding sides are proportional, right? So since the corresponding sides are proportional, can I say that ME by NC is equals to AE by AC? Yes. So that's why use the values now. AE is given to 15, AC is not given. Is AC given to us? No. But can I say that AC is equals to AE plus EC? Can I say that? Yes, definitely, right? So they are equal. So that's why we have See, AE is given to 15, EC is given to be 9. So that's why we see that the value of AC will be 15 plus 9, which is 24. Okay. Now similarly we have NC, right? So NC is given to 6, AE is given to 15. So from here calculate the value of ME, bring the 6 out here, you get your value to be 3.75. Okay. Next, you know, triangle ADE and ABC are similar, right? ADE, that is this bigger triangle, and ABC, that is biggest triangle, they are similar, right? So if they are similar, you know that the corresponding sides are proportional, right? That is, this happens. Okay. Now let's put the values of what we know, right? So AE is 15, AC is 24. So again, ADM and ABN are also similar. So again use the same property. So that is, the corresponding sides are proportional. You get this, right? Now use equation 1 and 2. Okay. So if you use that, what you get is, okay, so BN, what's the value of BN? Can you tell me? What is the value of BN? BN is given to 24. So instead of BN, I have written 24, and AD by AB as per equation 1 is 15 by 24. So in place of this is written 15 by 24. Bring this 24 out here, you get DM equals to 15 centimeter. Okay. So you may pause the video and note down your solution. Let's have a look at this question. So question number 9, this is the given diagram. So AB is parallel to DC. You can see with the arrows also. Okay, so let's observe DOQ. So DOQ is this triangle, and next is BOP. BOP is this triangle. Okay, now in this triangle, see QDO. Okay, so QDO, that means this angle is equals to PBO, that is this angle. Why? Because you can see there is a Z kind of figure, so that's why they are alternate angle. Okay, so it's not written yet, right? Since they are alternate angles. Okay, now I see there is one more pair of angle which are equal, that is these two. They are vertically opposite angle, right? So since I have showed that two pairs of angles are equal, so that's why using AA criterion we can say that this triangle is similar to this triangle. Okay, now if they are similar, then obviously the corresponding sides will be proportional. That's why DO by BO will be equals to DQ. Okay, so DQ is this one by BP, that is this one. Okay, so since the corresponding sides are proportional, so that's why let's put the value now. So we know BO is given, DQ is given, right? So we get this much, do the cross multiplication, you get BP into DO equals to 6 into 8, which is 48. Okay, now again, now since BO is centimeter, DQ is in centimeter, so that's why when you multiply these two, you get centimeter square. Okay, pause the video and note down your solution. Okay, so let's have one more question. So question says, find the length of DG and DE from this diagram. So all the necessary measurements are given to you. Okay, first and foremost, there are two triangles in that you can see. Let me prove that they are similar. Okay, so in triangle DHG, so DHG means this yellow colored one. DFE, so DFE means this triangle. Okay, so you see two angles, two pairs of angles are given to be 90 degree each, that is this angle and this angle. Yes, now if you see there, if you look at the diagram, there's one angle common, and that angle is angle D, right? So angle D is common to both the triangle. So that's why using A criterion, these two triangles are similar, right? Okay, now if they are similar, obviously the corresponding sides will be in proportion. Yes or no? Okay, so let's put the value of whatever is given to us. DH is given to be how much? 8. DF is given to be 12. DG is given to be 3x minus 1, and DE is given to be 4x plus 2. So solve this and find the value of x. It turns out to be 7. So that's why your dg. So what is dg? dg is this much, right? So dg will be equals to 3 into x, that is x is 7 minus 1. So 3 into 7 minus 1 is 20. Similarly de, you are asked to find de, will be 4 into 7 plus 2, okay, that is 30. Alright, so you pause the video and note down your solution. Okay, so similar kind of question is there, one more. So you see triangle ABC and AMP are right angled at angle B and M respectively. So they are right angle at these 2 points, is clearly shown. Okay, so first and foremost you need to prove that triangle ABC and triangle AMP, they are similar. Now that part I am not showing you. Okay, so I have written the solution directly, you can copy by yourself. AB and BC, that's what we need to find, right? So in triangle AMP, using Pythagoras theorem, so AMP is this triangle, okay, so this is 90, so side opposite to this is AP, so AP becomes your hypotenuse. So that's why this is your Pythagoras theorem, okay, because you see you don't know the value of AM, right? So we are finding AM, so find the AP is 15, right? So AP is given to 15 here, PM is given to 12. So from here if you calculate, you get AM to be 11. Okay, so from here to here is 11. So you are asked to find, remember you are asked to find AB and BC. So as these two triangles are similar, we have corresponding sides to be proportional, isn't it? So from this, what I have done is, see, whatever values we know, let's substitute. Okay, now what is the value of AC? AC is given to 10, so 10 is written. AP is 15, in place of AP I have written 15. Okay, PM is 12, so that's why in place of PM I have written 12. And what is AM? Just now we found this to be equals to 11, isn't it? Okay, so from here we'll make use of this first one and last one. Okay, so from there you see AB by 11 will be 10 by 12, and let's use the later 2, that is BC by 12 will be equals to 10 by 15. So bring 11 here, you get this much. So the value of AB turns out to be, when you simplify this and turn into decimal, you get 7.33 centimeter. Similarly do the same here, the value of BC turns out to be 8 centimeter. Okay, so with this we close for the day. Thank you very much.